In this video, I'm showing you how to make an envelope pillow backing, a quick and hassle-free method that doesn't require any buttons or zippers. Hey everyone, it's Nadra from Alison Higgs. On my channel, I'm sharing tips, tricks, and how-tos that will help you on your journey to making quilts. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out all the links in the description box below. I just love making quilted pillows. They're quick and easy to sew, and you can actually turn any quilt block into a cute throw pillow for your couch. In part 2 of the Quilt As You Go pillow tutorial, I will be showing you how to make an envelope pillow backing. If you're like me and you don't enjoy inserting zippers, then this tutorial is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end because I'll also share a reference chart for you to go with cutting instructions for the standard pillow sizes. And now let's get right into it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want exclusive content that I only share with subscribers, head over to alisonhiggs.com and sign up for my newsletter. It's free. In my next video, which is part 3 of the video series, I will be showing you how to bind and finish your quilted pillow. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.